My name is Sunny, and I joined the Funded Trader Academy just about a week and a half ago. So take the rest of that in this context. That said, I have been trading since mid 2022. It's coming up right at the end of 2024 as I'm making this video. So about 2.5 years of day trading. Now, before that, for almost actually more than 20 years, I was doing some, you could call it position trading with options and some other things that I was learning, but I wasn't serious about day trading until 2022. And I really started diving into online education, starting like most people do with YouTube videos and finding what styles, what markets, what teachers were going to be the most resonant with me. I came across Dale, I think maybe even before then, but certainly within that time frame. And I really liked his style. And I liked that he was teaching some things that were above where I was ready for at that time. I saw he was working with volume profile and he was doing some things with forex, and I wasn't into forex at the time. So eventually I went away and did some other things with futures. And I still am primarily trading futures. But at the time I decided that I wanted to focus on price action, and I thought I could get good enough with that where I can become a profitable and consistent trader, and that didn't happen. As most people have to go through the journey and understand that there are many pieces to the puzzle that you're missing, and you don't see all the pieces. I had a feeling that that would happen, but I just wasn't ready for something as advanced as Funded Trader Academy at the time. I'm very thankful that I have seen how much I don't know, and I wanted to come and join a trading room. Even back then, I was joining some things. I did join a trading type of room, but it was reviewing past market action, like the morning market action, or was reviewing the previous day, etc. And it wasn't live. So I wanted something that was live, and I wanted it to be with people that were quite a bit more advanced than me. And it was wonderful to have the opportunity with Dale, just such a quality traders that are genuinely nice people. And I'll talk more about that because I've had just in these last several days, I've had such a positive experience being in the trading room with them and asking questions. And there's always some feeling like, gosh, I'm new. There's a number of things that everyone here already probably knows, but getting to ask those questions and seeing how helpful and friendly the traders are who are teaching these sessions is great. And each of the traders has their own style. One is more focused on order flow. There's one that's more focused on smart money concepts. There's another, Dale himself is very focused on volume profile, and they're trading different markets. We're seeing price action and trading with futures. We're seeing it with forex, those being the primary ones. And then all of these tools I can extrapolate and go and use on other markets if I ever desire to. So that's all very, very good. And because I'm new, I haven't done any funding of any accounts yet or withdrawals. I'm just starting to put together a trading plan and start doing demo trading or sim trading so that I can log trades. I really appreciate, by the way, that they provide a journal format for what they recommend. Even though I was journaling before with my own spreadsheets, it's good to see what they recommend. And so they provide a really nice journal, a spreadsheet to be able to do that and to do some of the calculations for you. So you see some of your statistics, and then that's the kind of thing that you can then review because they offer, that's another thing I really appreciate that they offer the ability to review your trading plan and your overall approach with them so they can give you feedback and continue to help you improve and get funding. I also really like that they provide daily levels for, it's only for Forex right now. And I would really love to see this for the futures as well, because that's primarily what I'm working on trading, even though it's all demo, but I want to get good at that. So if they were to provide daily and weekly levels for ES and NQ, for example, those are the markets I'm being the most interested in. Also looking at some others like gold. That would be really helpful. Overall, the community aspect of it where we're able to log in and be part of a portal that lets us reach out to the traders in between sessions, that lets us reach out to other members. Those are good things. Overall, I would love to see because the it can get confusing between the different trading styles. I would like to see like Q&A sessions where we have all the main traders together so we can ask questions on how their styles differ and what they would do in different situations and have them actually answer those questions. bounce ideas off of each other in addition to answering our questions, because then we could see that this trader would take that trade like this, or this trader would answer the question like that. Some type of panel Q&As would be great to have those traders there at the same time. Would also love to see like networking Zooms so we could, as members, get to know each other better. For example, I do some of those types of things in real estate, and we're live on camera with each other, and we're getting to know each other as people. Most of the time in the trading Zooms, we're cameras off and we're focused on the market. So that would be a really nice way to get to know each other as members. And if they could you guys could host that, that would be awesome, for us to be able to get to know all of the members better and really make friendships. And then we could study the markets together. We could form offline study groups and those types of things. It's a little bit easier when you get to know people better as people. But overall, I'm just really, really thankful that I have joined, know so much, and I'm learning so much. And they genuinely care for me as people. So would I recommend this? Yeah, absolutely. Um, there's nothing that I would have as a hesitation as far as recommending this. Of course, it always depends. Any hesitation I would have would depend on someone's goals. If they don't seem serious, if they don't seem like they would benefit from the specific types of strategies being taught with volume profile, with price action, with order flow, and really combining these things and really wanting to do this at a professional level. Because one of the things is that the traders don't take a bunch of trades. They are very discerning. They're taking a professional approach. And that's one of the things I really wanted to get from this. So if someone else really is ready for taking a professional approach to market action, to trading, they want to be rigorous. They want to do this in the way that if you were able to ever have the chance to go and work on Wall Street, I believe, and I haven't had that opportunity, but I believe that this is the type of mindset and approach that you would be taught. And speaking of which, they offer a mini psychology course within the overall course. They have it's another thing I like that they have that aspect of it. They teach that in addition to having courses for foundational work and also review for all the different concepts. You've got volume profile course, order flow course, and smart money concepts course. There's a psychology course as well, and also a little mini course on how to use the trading journal. So I appreciate all of that. That's all foundational material, and then you in real time in a sense because you're live in trading in markets with the traders. So you're getting that feedback watching. And if you have any questions based on what I've shared, feel free to reach out.